know this is probably illegal, but I want to get my picture with the bike up here. Yeah, I think we'll get a picture of the bike right here in the middle of the bridge, man. Scope it. On the bike, on the bridge, on the river, at the dam. I just want to say thank you again for stopping by, watching my videos. I appreciate every single one of you. So yeah, it's March, what is it? Sunday, March 19th, I think. I think it's the 19th. Sunday anyway, I know that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day to be out on the bike. And I figured I would bring the bike over here on this little walkway, get a couple pictures, which I took already. Used to be a railroad tracks that went across here. They made it into a walk bridge, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool. They redid that bridge over there, which is pretty cool. So yeah, I just wanted to come over here and get a little video of the dam. So here's a little video on the dam. Any words? I'm gonna get my ride on. I got my pictures taken that I wanted to take. Better get off of here before a cop comes, starts harassing me or something. Gives me a ticket for being on the bridge.